This rich, creamy paneer korma is delicious. It pairs excellently with rice, naan, or if you're eating a low-carb diet, my Indian-style cauliflower rice. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First is to prep the vegetables that will make up the base of this sauce. Dice 1 red onion. Dice 3 tomatoes. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. And I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of minced ginger from the refrigerator. I purchased the paneer from my local Indian store, but you may be able to find it in your local grocery store depending on where you live. I started by slicing the paneer in half lengthwise and then cut it into thirds, finally dicing it up into 3/4 inch cubes. Heat up your pot to medium-high heat. This recipe is all about richness, so I'm using ghee to fry up my vegetables. I found the ghee in the same section as the oils in my local grocery store. Once the ghee has warmed up, add in 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 3 cloves, 2 green cardamoms slightly broken up so that the inside can be exposed to the oil, 1 black cardamom. The black cardamom adds a really rich, smoky flavor, so if you can get it, definitely include it. And stir that until the cumin seeds start to turn golden brown. Then add in the diced onion. Stir the onion until it becomes translucent. Add in the minced garlic with 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Stir for 1 minute. Add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Stir and cook for 1 minute, and then add in the diced tomatoes. Cook for 1 more minute, and add in about 20 whole cashews. Cook for 2 more minutes, and then turn off the heat and transfer to a plate or bowl to allow the mixture to cool for a few minutes. While you're waiting for the mixture to cool, chop up 1 jalapeno. Once cool enough to safely blend, add the mixture to the blender and blend it until smooth. Add in the green chilies and blend until they have been incorporated. Add all this back to the pot. Add 1 cup of water to the blender, swirl it around to get the last bits of the sauce into the pan. Heat on medium heat and bring the pot to a simmer. Add in the paneer cubes and use a spatula to separate them. Cover and let cook for 10 minutes. Add in 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Add in 1 heaping teaspoon of Kashmiri pepper. Salt to taste. I'm using about 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. Stir it all up and let the flavors really blend together. Stir that in and cover and let it cook for 5 more minutes. To add in the final bit of richness to the dish, we're going to finish it off with 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Stir it all up, it's already looking delicious. To balance off that richness, we're going to add in some fresh cilantro leaves. And some kasuri methi, or fenugreek leaves. This makes a dish that's rich and restaurant-worthy. Hey, not bad.